In our last video, I showed you how you can properly secure your WHMCS software. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create support tickets or support deck for your web hosting business. Please, let me show you this thing. Go to my QHost, click on contact support. This is my QHost support system. You can enter your name, email, pick a support department. In this case, we have a sales support here, a sales department. Priority. You enter the subject of your message and then the message itself, and then click on submit. We want to also create the same thing for our web hosting. So let me take you to your hosting. And this is our hosting. If you click on support or contact us, you only see a contact form, but you not see that support system. So how do you create support system for our web hosting business? Please go back to WHMCS. After landing on WHMCS, hover on settings, go to general settings. Here, type support department. So let's put support department. Click on support department. Please, let's create a department. So click on add new department. Let's enter a department name. Let's put sales department, because those who have not yet purchased your services would first of all contact sales department. So let's give it sales department. You can describe this department. Enter email. So this email, let's give it something like sales at website name.com. Assign an admin. Okay, so this is our admin. This is the only admin we have on the site. Clients only. Let's leave it as empty because we want those who don't have account with us to be able to contact sales department. So make sure you leave it. Don't pick clients only. When we get to technical support, we only want those who have products and services, those who have purchased our services. We want only those people to be able to contact our technical department for technical support, because it doesn't make sense if they contact our technical support if they don't have active services or active products with us. So just leave it as empty, scroll and click on add new department. Please, let's delete general inquiries. Delete it. Click on add new department, and this time we're going to create technical support department. So let's put technical support. Something like support at your host name. Assign an admin, and we want this department to only be available to clients. Now we want to also give them the ability to give us feedback and rate our support. Okay, only do this for your support department. Scroll and click on add new department. So we've added two departments, sales department, technical department. Go ahead and add the number of departments you want for your web hosting business. You can add abuse department, maybe billing department, add those things. Next, let's go to cPanel. Let's enter our details. Click on login after entering your details. Let's create an email for our departments. We have sales department, and this email is sales at your host, right? So go to create sales, go back, click on email accounts. Click on create and enter sales. Generate and click on create. We are creating a second email for our support department. So just put support, generate passwords, and click on create. So we've created our two departments. Also create your departments. Next, go to forwarders. So just on top, type forwarder. Click on forwarders. Click on add a forwarder. And then we're going to add a forwarder here. So first, let's talk about our sales department. So sales at your website name.com. And we're going to pipe it to a program. So click on the drop down and pick pipe to a program. Go to your the WHMCS, copy this link and go back and paste. Make sure you paste it here. Paste it here. Remove this and then click on add forwarder. Go back and we're going to pipe our second email, and that's what? Support. Scroll, click and pipe it to a program. Click here, paste the same link, make sure you remove this and then click on add forward. Good. So all emails sent to support at your website name.com will be copied to this pipe. Let me show you where this pipe is. So go to WHMCS, click on this logo, and it will create a support ticket in your WHMCS. So now let's send an email. Let's send an email. Let me use my Gmail. Let's compose a test mail and see how our support tickets work. Click on compose. We are sending this mail to sales department. Let's put this is sales department test from Solo, and then click on send. And automatically we're supposed to get an autoresponder from the software. We're also supposed to get what? A support ticket, one waiting ticket or one ticket waiting here, but we have not yet received that. So if you have not yet received that, just go to cPanel and type File Manager. Click on File Manager. Let's open WHMCS data inside Chrome. Double click, and let's change this permission to 755. All right, so put 755. Click to save. All right, so now let's go back and compose a second mail. Sales. Okay, so I think I will just paste it here. and then this is test 2. Click on send. Let's wait for a response. All right, and here we go. It's here. All right, so Zina hosting sales department. Click on it and you see something like this. Thank you for contacting our support team. A support ticket has been opened for you. So you guess your clients will click on this link and they can view their support ticket just like this. They can respond to these tickets and do whatever they want to do. So just follow that video well and you'll be able to create your support ticket. If you're facing challenges, make sure you change the pipe permission to 755. Now if you go here and reload, we should see one ticket waiting just like this, and you, the website admin, is supposed to click on this and then respond to this client inquiries. Click on, you can see the department, that's sales department. Just click on this link and you can read their message and then respond to this message and click on reply, and your client will get a reply via email just like this. See, this is a response. See that? So we have successfully created our support tickets or support department in WHMCS. Before we wrap everything up, let's click on submit a ticket, and your clients are going to see a support ticket like this. They can pick a department, but because we have not logged in, we're only seeing sales department. After we log in as client, we'll see other departments inside here. So that's it. That's how you create support departments in your WHM or your billing software, billing and automation software. Hope to see you in my next episodes. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.